Hi guys, nandito naman tayo sa usapang Crawford at saka Manny Pacquiao guys. Si Manny Pacquiao guys, malaki yung hinihingi guys, $20 million guys. But si Crawford guys, hindi papaya guys, sobrang laki ng hiningi ni Manny Pacquiao guys. Kasi sobrang laki guys, yung $20 million guys na hiningi ni Pacquiao guys. Kasi si Crawford guys, tinawanan lang si Manny Pacquiao guys, kasi sobrang laki yung hiningi niya. At saka si Crawford hindi papayag. Tuloy guys na si Manny Pacquiao guys na depress guys, nagka problema guys. Tingnan yung mukha guys, may problema guys.